Table of 18 and 19. Good morning once again to everyone. Children, good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. First, you have to write table of
Good morning,
18.
ma'am.
Good morning. 18 and 19 in your notebook. After that, I will post the today's CET assessment link, which is the third assessment of maths. Topics are money and profit and loss. So first, please write table of 18 and 19 in your revision notebook and show it to me, everyone. Meantime, I will take the assessment of orals in the dodging way. So I will, yes, Arya?
No, we can write in the notebook.
Revision notebook, write table of 18 and 19.
Ma'am, I have written. Can you see?
I want right now. Rihan, you have to write in the class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, means now also we have to write
Please,
if we are done.
Vivan and Vihan, write today's date and write the table now
Ma'am,
in the class.
19 and 20, na?
18 and 19. I think I don't need to repeat the same thing again and again. Write table of 18 and 19 in your notebooks. Meantime, I will ask the tables from one by one from each student. Anya Mittal.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Fiza.
What, ma'am? 16 threes are?
Yes.
48.
Arna Agarwal. Arna Agarwal. Children, I will call your name only once.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Faiza.
Ma'am, 75 are 85.
Okay, next child. Arya Razia.
Yes, ma'am.
18 Forza.
84 are 72.
Next is Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. Which number,
19 Sigza.
ma'am? 19 6 are.
Turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
19 Sigza.
19 6 are 100 and 140.
Next is Anvi Kothari.
Yes, ma'am.
18 Sevenza.
Ma'am, 18 sevens are
Don't look
126.
into your notebooks. Children, I am noticing also this also that you are reading from your notebooks. Learn the tables by heart. Tell me now. 18
One,
Faiza.
ma'am,
I
18 sevens are 90.
Next is Ayanshak Jain.
18.
Wait. 18 Sevenza. Don't look into your notebooks, children. Please.
126.
126. Okay, Vedi, if you have done. When I will tell the children to show me, then you will show me. Next is Ayush Singhania.
Yes, ma'am.
18 Sigza.
Ma'am, 18 6 I don't know. I haven't done of 18 and 19.
My dear children, why you all are not learning tables? From last 2 to 3 weeks, we are doing this only. Please learn, Ayush. I'm 16 table you have learned. Ayush
No, one should
16 Sevenza.
16 sevens are.
Yes.
Uh, sevens are okay. don't want to take it. I will revise and tell you.
Okay, I'll go to the next child. Dhairya Shah,
Yes, ma'am.
17 8 Then again looking into the notebook.
17 it's a 136.
Next, Dhyan Dalal,
Yes, ma'am.
18 4
72.
Children, those who have done the table of 18 and 19, please show me the notebooks.
We am doing. I will show you after. Ma'am. Ma'am, can you see? Ma'am,
Yes.
can you see?
Yes, Vivan, you put down. Next is Riva put down, Rudra Jajadia, Dhyan Dalal, Vedi, Anya
Ma'am,
Mittal,
can you see?
Saman, Jain,
Ma'am, can you
yes,
see?
Anushka.
Can you see? Ma'am.
Okay, put your notebooks down, everyone. Yes, Dhruv, put your notebook
Ma'am,
down.
can you
Put your notebooks down, everyone, now. Now listen it carefully. Listen carefully. I'm going to paste the link in the chat box. Once you receive the Google form, attempt that also. Write the tables also, finish it fast. Meantime, you will give the oral for table also.
Ma'am, you are pasting in the chat box.
I'm pasting in the chat box as well as in the classroom. Link is pasted, children. Children, link is already pasted in the chat box. Okay, Kahan Jain? Kahan Jain?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, after getting the link, if you leave the class, your form will not accept it. Once I will not tell you to leave the class and I will not see the work of each and every child, you are not allowed to leave the class.
What, ma'am?
Kahan, are you able to log in the Google form? Just check.
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you send link one more time because my iPad was shut down?
Nick, it is there in the classroom. Go from classroom.
Ma'am, I see there is no link. I refresh also.
Okay, I will paste here. It is already pasted, but you children don't want to take efforts.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write the question and answer both in notebook also.
See, every time I have to explain you the same thing, not required to write in the notebook. Just if you need to solve it, the rough work, just take
Ma'am, I
it.
cannot able to log in.
Kahan, wait for your, I will take out the solution. Understood now, everyone? No need to do all the questions in your notebook. Mikdad, listen it carefully because I know that next question you will ask the same. No need to do all the questions in the notebook. If in case you need the notebook to solve the rough calculations, you use the notebook. But all the questions are not required. It's up to you. Catherine, ma'am. Catherine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Catherine,
Yes,
ma'am, will
ma'am.
you do one favor for me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you please present the Google form link because Kahan will write the questions and do because I need
Yeah,
to see the names from the chat box.
I'll do that.
Okay. Kahan,
Yes, ma'am.
you pin Catherine ma'am screen. She is presenting.
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute, ma'am. It's opening.
Aryaman Sangai.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for the table orals? Kahan, are you
Can you
able to
see
see?
it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Kahan, ma'am is presenting.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
do in the notebook and then attach your work.
Okay,
Or
ma'am.
either send it to me in mail. It will be fine. Okay.
And Kahan,
Ma'am,
let me know when to scroll.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush. Ayush, tell me what. Okay, I'll go to the next child. I was calling Aryaman Sangai. Where is he? Yes,
yes,
Aryaman.
ma'am.
Okay. Aryaman, you have learned the tables till which number?
Ma'am, 15.
15.
Yes.
Okay. So you will learn in this week till 20 also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me table of 12.
Yes. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 12 twos are
ma'am,
12 twos are
Aryaman,
24.
Aryaman, wait. Let me talk with Ayush. Ayush, yes.
ma'am, please send the link in the classroom
It is
once.
there in the classroom already. Refresh your
Okay.
classroom.
No, not in the classroom chat box actually.
No, it's there. You go from the classroom.
Okay, but I don't have the classroom in my laptop.
You don't have classroom link. So how you enter in the class then?
Ma'am, that is from my iPad.
Okay, I pasted in the class chat box. Go now.
Thank you.
Yes, Aryaman, please start.
Yes. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48.
Your camera is on, Aryaman.
60. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
12 6 are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120.
Okay, thank you. So learn till 20, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, you asked the tables.
Yeah, I'm asking. Dhyan Dalal, your name will come alphabetically wise. Okay, Lakshya?
What?
Dhyan, your chance is done
Yes, of tables.
today.
Tables, yes, I have done.
Okay. Can you tell me one more time?
Yes, ma'am.
17 sixes.
102.
Thank you.
C.
Yeah, good. Lakshya, do Google form also now. Start doing. Otherwise, your time will up. Next is Dhyan Shilya.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
scroll down.
Yeah, wait. Catherine, ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, little bit up.
From question number C.
Ma'am, D.
B.
Ma'am, D.
D is already visible. D is visible, Kahan. Next is Farzan. 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 Okay, leave. Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Priya, tell me 18 sixes.
What? 18 6.
Yes.
18 6. 126.
No.
108.
Yes. Next is Jahan Jariwala. Jahan
Yes,
Jariwala.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jahan, you tell me 19 threes are.
19 threes are.
Catherine, ma'am, you can scroll down. G.
57.
Jahan, can I ask one
57.
more?
57.
Okay, good. Can I ask one more?
Yes.
Okay. 16 fours are.
16 fours are.
Yes.
64.
Okay, thank you. Next is Jishna Swami.
Ma'am, you can scroll down.
Kahan, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jishna Swami.
Yes, ma'am.
Jishna 18 sevens are.
18 7 126.
Next, Kahan Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
19 six are.
19
Good, Rudra. No one will leave the class.
14.
Good, Kahan. Next is Karnav.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Good. Write tables also. Learn tables by heart thoroughly. You will not. No one will leave the class till you all know the timings. Okay. Yes, Megdad.
Ma'am, I have finished the CET and written the tables and by hearted it.
Learn the tables all the tables learn till 20.
Yes, ma'am. Till 20.
Revise them. Sit. You will not leave. No one will leave the class. Next is Karnav. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Karnav 16 6.
Ma'am, 16 6 96.
Good. Next is Khevna. Khevna.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
18 6.
18 6.
Children, please don't take help from your parents.
18 6.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes, Kahan.
108.
There are 3 options or 4 options.
In which one?
H.
H. Let me
Yes,
check.
ma'am.
Catherine, ma'am, can you please scroll up? There are 4 options. Will you able to see now, Kahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Khevna, turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. You doing the CET.
And please continue turn on your mic. Also, you are not going to switch off your mic. Okay? I'll give you one more chance. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 18 5.
18 5 90.
Good. Now you can do your test. Next is Khush Ahuja. Left. Khush Kapadia.
Yes, ma'am.
18 8.
18 8 144.
Good. Khush Ahuja. You are in now. Please turn on your camera. Yes. Khush 17 7.
17 7, ma'am. 17 5. 119.
Good.
Ma'am, 119.
Okay. Thank you. Next is Lakshya Thakral.
What?
Lakshya 18 4.
18 4. 18 4 72.
Very good. Next is Lamha.
Yes, ma'am.
19 8. Turn on your camera also, my dear.
Ma'am, 19 exas are 152.
Okay, your camera is not working, Lamha.
No, ma'am, it's working.
Okay. Next is
Over here, it is showing that my camera is on.
okay. Man Rajodia. Man
Yes,
Rajodia.
ma'am.
Yes. Tell me 16 9.
Ma'am, 16 nines are uh, 144.
Okay. Next is Meet Kevlani.
Yes, ma'am.
17 4.
17 68. Ma'am,
Good.
68.
Migdad.
Yeah.
You have learned all the tables by heart, right?
320.
Tell me table of 19 full.
19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114,
Hmm.
19 sevens are 133,
Hmm.
19 eights are 152, 152,
Hmm.
19 nines are 171, 19 tens are 190.
Good.
Catherine, ma'am, you can scroll down.
Next is Mohit.
Ma'am, you can scroll up. Yes, ma'am.
Mohit. Mohit. Mohit, whenever I ask tables, you are not responding me. Nishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nishika 17 7. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay. 17 7.
Ma'am, 17 sevens are 84.
No. Will you try it again?
Yeah, ma'am. 17 sevens are 119.
Yes. Next is Parinika.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, again, I am giving you a warning. If you leave your class before your timing, so please don't accept the teacher will check your paper. Please.
What?
I'm not going to grade to the children those who are leaving before time.
Yes, ma'am.
Parinika, okay. Parinika, tell me table of. Parinika, you have written the table of 18 and 19 in your notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Show it to me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Your camera is off.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes. I'm opening the page. Yeah, ma'am. See.
Just a minute. Yes. Put it down. Okay. Parinika, now tell me 18 threes are.
Ma'am, 18 threes are is 54.
Put your notebook down. Keep it down.
Okay, ma'am.
18 threes are.
54.
Good. Next is Prisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Prisha, 18 8 za.
What, ma'am?
18 8 za.
18 6 are
No, 18 8 za.
18 8s are 18 8s are 144.
No.
Yeah, ma'am, 18 8s are 144.
Yes, it's 144, not
I said that
134.
only before.
134 you told before.
No, I told 144.
It's okay. 144 is the correct answer, right? Next is Rahil.
Yes,
Rahil.
ma'am.
Yes. Rahil, tell me 17 Faiza.
Ma'am, 85.
Okay. You children are, I have noted, children, many of you are looking into your notebooks and then giving me the answer. Please, again, I repeat, please learn the tables by heart. Continue, Rahil, your Riddhi Goyal.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Sevenza.
17 7s are 119. Catherine, ma'am, you can scroll down.
Ridhan Goyal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhan, tell me 16 Sixa.
16 6 are 96.
Okay. Riva Kataria.
Yeah, ma'am.
17 Threesa.
17 3s are 51.
Good. Next is Rudra Jajaria.
Yes, ma'am.
19 Forza.
17 4s are 76.
Hmm. Next is Rudra Mangokia.
Yes, ma'am.
18 Edza.
18 8 are 144.
Hmm. Next is Rudra Master.
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra 16 Sixa.
16 6 are
Rudra taking so much time. Sia Patel.
Yes,
Sia.
ma'am.
17 Forza.
17 4s are 68.
Yes. Dhruv Patel. Children, turn on your mic. Sit with your mic and camera on when the teacher is asking something. Camera on, please, Dhruv. Dhruv, please, camera on. Dhruv, should I move to the next child? Tawassim.
Yes, ma'am.
Tawassim 17 Sevenza.
17 7s are 119, ma'am.
Next is Vedi. Vedi
What, ma'am?
16 Edza.
16 8s are. You can scroll down. Ma'am, what should I do?
Migdad, learn all the tables again.
Till
20. Vedi
what?
16 Edza.
16 8s are. Ma'am.
Anya, wait. I will talk to your mother and you also. Okay, Anya?
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Wait, Dhruv.
Ma'am, only 15 sums are there.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kush.
ma'am, I have done my
My
CT.
work
What
is
I
done.
should do?
Learn tables again by heart. All the tables till 20.
My work is done.
Kahan done?
Yes, ma'am.
Kahan, wait. I will put in the assignments. Then you attach your work there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I can tell.
Wait a minute.
Ask me.
Wait a minute. Your turn will come.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, Vedi. Learn tables, Vedi.
Ma'am, I can tell. Which? Ma'am,
It's wait a minute, Dhruv. Wait a minute. Mute your mic, Dhruv. Okay. Kahan?
ma'am, my battery is very low. Please send.
Kahan, it's pasted in the classroom. You can attach your work.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
have to
Ma'am,
also
I can
attach
leave
the
the
work.
class.
Yeah, you can leave the class.
Ma'am, now I can tell.
Dhruv, when I was calling your name, where were you?
Ma'am, my microphone is not working and my headphone battery is low.
Ma'am, can we leave if we have done the CT?
No. You all know the class timings, right? He was having some emergency, so I allowed him.
Yeah.
So you all know class timings. Till class
Yeah,
timings, you should
everybody
be
is
present in the
leaving.
class.
Everybody's leaving, so I just asking.
No, don't leave.
Ma'am,
For them, I know how I have to grade them. I know I recorded their names. Let them leave.
ma'am, now you can answer.
Yes, Dhruv. Dhruv, tell me 16 8s.
Ma'am, 128.
Good. Next is Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
18 9s.
Ma'am, 162.
Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
19 7s.
19 sevens are 133.
Next is Yash Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
19 9s.
19 nines are. Ma'am, 171.
Next is Yug Baria.
Yes.
17 7s.
17 sevens are. 119.
Good.
Ma'am, can I leave?
No. Still there are 2 minutes left. Children, today I will send the Google form based on the next week topics that is related to loan. You all have learned in our previous classes about the loan and the interest. Okay, I'll send you one video and then I'll send you a Google form. Then you try to attempt it. And after that, tomorrow when you come in your live class, we again repeat the topic. Okay? And for the next coming week topics, I will post it in the classroom today. Please go through it. What are the topics to be covered in our next week?
Okay, ma'am.
In our coming week, right?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm just asking you that you have sent the folder assignment 3. So we have to also send
No
Google
one, only it was Kahan because Kahan was not able to log in the Google form. That's why I pasted.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, it will show that missing it will show. Not submit it will show.
No problem. Let it be missing only.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arya.
I'm saying that 24 date is the last date. After that, there will be live class.
No.
After the
Then
no,
from April 1st.
from April 1st, there will be live class.
Online class.
Okay.
ma'am, we have to not go to school.
Till now, no information, my dear. Okay. Now, those who have completed, they can leave the class.
Hi, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think so. We need to go to school by bus.